We've been gardening here at Suan Sook homestay now for 8 years, and it's been an incredible journey. It continues to be an incredible journey, and I'm learning a lot. We're both learning a lot about what to plant and when to plant it, and we thought we would share this information with you. I've been digging into doing a bit of research lately and creating a planting guide calendar for 3 different regions in Thailand. We've got the north, the south and Isaan area mapped out for you in 3 helpful guides. And this is a little project that I envisage will be organic in itself, that it will continue to grow and change as other contributions are made to it, because I'm sure I haven't got everything right the first time. We did a bunch of research. We've based it on the style of gardening that we love here, which is permaculture based, syntropic, food forest planting, and also following the inspiration of King Rama IX, the late king, who taught a lot about reasonableness and sufficiency in producing food for yourself from your own land. And this is something that really resonates with us. We find it really valuable, and so we've built these things that we value into this planting guide. And certainly the valleys that we plant in here in the north, in the sandy ground in Isaan, and the monsoons down in the south demand different planting guides, different types and different times. And it's a matter of really being in conversation with the land and with the climate where you live to be able to have a really sufficient garden to produce good, wholesome food for you and your family, and possibly even your community. So by developing this guide, and the inspiration for it has come through this idea of sufficiency, and it is very much tied in with this conversation that we're having, this ongoing conversation that we've got to have input, but we've also got to listen to the land. We've also got to listen and feel for what our land, our climate, our garden is requiring from us, and what we can give back into it. And because I don't believe anything in gardening can be completely scientific, you've got to feel it, you've got to do it from the heart, you've got to do it with some intuition as well, and this can take a bit of practice. But if you've got a bit of a head start, I wish I'd had this guide when I started here 8 years ago. It would have been so much easier to know what to plant and when to plant, and to really get a feel for it. Now, after we've practiced and experimented for a number of years, we are feeling like we're on the right track, and we really want to share this information with others to encourage you and to make your journey into the gardening experience so much more enjoyable. And so in the guide, there's different columns, there's different plantings for local vegetables, foreign vegetables, and things like cover crops and nitrogen fixers, things that will not necessarily provide food for us directly, but provide food for the soil so that our food plants, our fruit, our vegetables can grow and provide for us. And sure, there are some vegetables that you can plant every month during the year, and there's definitely some that prefer our cooler season here in the north. And you've just got to get a feel and experiment for what will work and when it will work. I'd read previously that you should only plant tomatoes here in the north from October onwards, but we've had great success with our heirloom tomatoes, planting them as early as August. And I did this last year, and now at the end of April, I'm still picking fruit from them. So I'm very pleased with this. So it's very much a matter of using the guide as a guide, not as gospel, and taking it and adapting it to where you live, to your region, and to your specific garden, to your little microclimate of where you live and where you have your garden. And with the thoughts of sufficiency, with the practice of permaculture, with the direction that we've gained from learning from what King IX taught, we are more than happy with the production in our garden now. We started slowly, we started carefully, we weren't sure exactly what to do. I'd had a long hiatus from gardening, and I'd certainly never really paid much attention to gardening in Thailand, so this is certainly coming from our experience of 8 years, plus some good research, some good help from online, and I really trust that it will be of huge benefit to everybody who wants to start a garden or continue gardening here in Thailand. So please check the link in the description down below this video and download your guide for either the north of Thailand, the south of Thailand, and for Isaan. And please let us know your thoughts. Let us know if there's anything else that we could include in each region or any region at each time of the year or any time of the year, so that we can continue to build this and make it even a greater resource for more people. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you'll click the link in the description below and download it. There's no need to leave an email address or anything like that. It's completely freely available for anyone who wants to use it. Thanks very much for watching this video all the way through, and if you're interested, you can check this one out next. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.